My name is Wanda Lassiter Lundy. I began to do psychic readings in 1985 and intuition-based healings in 1996. I have done 60,000 healings in 35 countries and 48 U.S. states, usually by telephone or video conference. I'm the chairman of the board of directors for Rays of Healing Church and senior lead minister, and I am the principal of Lassiter Lundy Institute, which is an institution based to teaching, intuition, and healing, and which has a curriculum of 50 classes. So I am pleased to make your acquaintance.